Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Mess with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. I'm so glad you're here because I'm officially in fall mode and I'm getting my house ready for the season. I'm sharing with you a warm and cozy fall clean and decorate with me. I absolutely love the changing leaves, the cool crisp weather, and just overall the feelings of fall and the vibes that gives off. So I want to share that with you and get you that warm and cozy feeling just like I have. So if you love cleaning motivation, how-to videos, as well as DIYs, I would love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button because I'd like to take you on my messy journey. So let's jump in, get cleaning, and later on we'll start decorating my house. For those who are new, those are my dogs at the beginning of the video. I was taking them on a beautiful trail hike behind our house and it's absolutely stunning. It's only right behind the tree line of my backyard and I'm so lucky to have such a beautiful trail to take the dogs on. And my dogs' names are Duke and Buster. Duke is a 4-year-old French Bulldog and Buster is a 10-year-old Boston Terrier. And the leaves haven't fully changed yet on our walk, but I can guarantee a few more weeks and there's going to be a beautiful array of oranges and reds and greens at the back of the house. And I absolutely cannot wait to take more fall walks with the dogs behind there. It's just like a hidden gem, just steps away from my backyard. I'm going ahead and cleaning everything off my mantle and giving it a good dusting. I'm not going to put anything back up here because I will be decorating the mantle a little bit later. And I picked up this dusting mitt not too long ago. It's microfiber and I absolutely love it. It does a great job at picking up all that dust and debris off my surfaces. And that's one of the things I actually didn't have in my cleaning tool kit is just a good duster. So I'm really happy that I have one now, and it's great that it's a glove so you just slip it on and you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hands and just keeping it nice and secure while you're dusting your surfaces. I recently got this throw as a gift and it's absolutely beautiful and perfect for the cooler nights when you want to get warm and cozy while watching TV. And Buster, who's the Boston Terrier, I'm not sure if anyone else has this with their Boston Terriers, but they absolutely love going underneath blankets. If you saw earlier, there was a couple throws already on the couch that were for Buster, but I think now that I have this throw, he probably thinks it's for him and gifted to him because he loves to steal the blankets and get warm and cozy on the couch. I'm going to go ahead and Swiffer around my fireplace, but you've noticed I actually don't have a Swiffer pad at the bottom. It's a microfiber slipper. A while ago I tested out some cleaning gadgets and the microfiber slipper is one of them, and I haven't been using them on my feet, but I found a great solution by taking the slipper and putting it at the bottom of a Swiffer. So this way you can just use it on your floors like this, and it's perfect for around, you know, tight edges and corners and also underneath the TV stand, which I always seem to forget to clean under when I'm vacuuming the floors with my vacuum or with my Crosswave, so I can get underneath and get all the little dust bunnies hiding underneath the TV stand. So if you wanted to reduce waste, it's a great solution, and these slippers work perfectly on the bottom of a Swiffer. So these are the throws I was talking about that belong to Buster, and he's upgraded to my throw, which you saw in that picture earlier, which is so cute. But he does have his own throws for the nice warm cozy season coming up. So comment below and let me know if you are in the same boat as me when it comes to dishes. It feels like I'm emptying the dishwasher almost every day or loading it up, and also hand washing dishes. It seems like now that I'm home more than ever, there is an endless supply of dishes that have to get done.
small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
When it comes to cleaning the kitchen, every time I'm finished in here, I always have to make sure I give the sink a good scrub and also clean the countertops. When these aren't done, it feels like the kitchen isn't complete. So this is always on my to-do list, and I always enjoy having a nice clean sink as well as crumb-free countertops.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
I'm cleaning my floors with my Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max, and if you've been here before and watched any of my previous videos, you know that I love this machine because it not only vacuums, it mops at the same time. So I'm able to suck up anything off the floor and then wash, and it really cuts down the time. And it's actually pretty convenient because you can also clean your tiles, your hardwood floors, and refresh your carpet. So if you're looking for something to really cut down your cleaning of your floors, recommend checking it out.
I'm on my way now. Playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be
the console table at my front door. I'm just giving it a good wipe down before I go and decorate.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Here's a shot of the decor that I bought, and it's stuff that I bought from HomeSense as well as Michael, and a few things I had around the house. So I have two different types of themes. For the front door, I'm going for a more traditional look with the yellows and greens as well as the oranges. And then I'm also going with a more, I would have to describe it, vintage pink and gray look for my mantle. So since I have a lot of deep colors in the front hallway, I thought I'd keep the more traditional look inside this hallway space by using the oranges and the greens. And most of this stuff is from Michael's. The water pitcher with the floral arrangement, I actually had that in my laundry room. It just had the white balled chrysanthemums, and I found some fall decor florals around the house and just added them to the pitcher. And I think it came out quite nice for someone who's an amateur floral arranger. So I went ahead and I actually changed around where the pumpkin is and the candle, and I think it looks a lot better here. And I have some extra fall leaves, so I thought I'd just fill the pumpkin to make it look more full so that it wasn't just sitting there empty. So I'm going in now and I'm going to be decorating my mantle, and as I mentioned, I'm going for more of a vintage vibe. It's not your traditional colors, it has pinks and grays, but I also want to incorporate more of a rustic look, so I brought in some darker tone decor that you'll see a little bit later just to have that vintage rustic vibe, like this small container that I bought from Michael's, and then this little tiny door I thought was so adorable. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it looks great just to add a little bit of height on the mantle area. So I just wanted to use these little tiny pumpkins and just fill up this container and just add some florals to add some pops of color so it wouldn't look so dark. So you're going to see that I'm going to be just kind of fiddling around with the decor just to make sure it works. So I go in with all the decor and get it set up, and then I kind of look back and I wasn't really happy on the way it looked, so I go back in a second time and I just move things around, and then it made it flow a little bit better. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I hope you enjoy my decorating process.
I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me.
So this is where I looked back and I just thought it looked a little bit off the decor. I thought the scale needed a little bit higher on the mantle to the far left, so I'm just going to move things around. And this chicken wire basket is from Michael's, and I thought I'd just flip it over, and then this way I can use it as a bit of height to add my pumpkin, so this way that it wasn't so low, because the truck was a little bit low and then the other side looked a little bit too high. So I'm just kind of fiddling around, like I said, just to make sure it looks right, and just changing it up and making sure I'm happy with the end result. So just gonna go back and do that, and after all the changes, I'm really happy with the outcome at the very end.
All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect.
So now that I've finished the mantle, I'm moving in the kitchen. I like to keep my countertops clutter-free as much as possible, so I'm just adding a bit of decor by adding some wheat into these milk container candle holders, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of a color by adding a sign in the corner here with a little saying on it, and then topping it off with a Paris Cafe scented candle from Bath & Body Works, and just a little salt and pepper shaker that are shaped as pumpkins. So nothing makes a room more warm and cozy than lighting nice candles, and I'm using Bath & Body Works seasonal candles. I'm using sweet cinnamon pumpkin, some autumn, and then Paris Cafe, and it just is so nice and inviting when you have candles burning, especially in the evening. So here are a few shots of the final product of my decor, and I think that it just brings that warm and cozy feeling to start off the season, and I couldn't be happier how everything turned out.
You do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me
really hope this video gave those warm and cozy feelings for the fall season. It was great hanging out with you and sharing my decorating around the house. And I really hope to see you next Sunday when I upload my next video. And just a reminder, if you like these types of video, give it a like, and I will see you next week.
It's what you do.